Oh! 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 Seconds a bit fast with this gearing. Oh! Woo! That just stabbed me. Yeah. We'll get Belly out there as well. Don't want to take him up that bit, do we? What a wonderful place to be. Obviously we could make this a lot harder by getting in that rut. Oh look, some bikes have been around that way. I'm seeing banks. Big banks. Is there a chance of getting anywhere up it? Not quite far actually. Oh my god, look at these bits. Some right gnarly bits there. Whoa! New track, never been on here before in my life. Bike's handling terribly. Oh yeah! That's nice. Whoa, which way is it? I'm thinking this way. Where's Belly gone? Ooh, we ain't fitting through there. Belly's still with me, that's the main thing. Yeah. Yeah, that crossing we do is just over there, isn't it?
Yeah, further away.
I'm absolutely blind, I've never been in here in my life. I'm just making a bit of a track through. And there's Belly. Sketchy. It just collapsed in.
Yeah, what you
Nice hut that. It's not a bad place to be. Bike River. These little dens. Are you having a nap in there, Belly lad? How old are you, Belly?
nearly 73.
Might never wake up again. Some candles there, look, for romancing.
I'll bring our lass down here tomorrow for wedding anniversary.
Oh well, bet she'll love that. I do like finding these new places though. Sick. Well, at least it's shallow. I stopped in middle. That wasn't a problem for a 73-year-old, was it? Slippy rock, that. Beautiful place to be. Oh, maybe not. Oh, yeah, roost. Oh, oh, bloody hell. Get me back. Did we get any on the lens? Not sure, but there is plenty on my goggles. Let me get further back. Look at it. Oh, it's like a turd. Look at that. It's like a turd. See if I can hit him on head with a turd ball. Slurpy odd river. What are you doing? Cutting your way through? Oh, this is mega! Oh, the beater! What a machine! I love this bike. So good. Apart from, well, that's not the bike's fault, surely. Just needs a bit of supporting. Come on, come on. Here we are. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
Next time.
It's not even that bad. You'll be all day.
Nearly night.
Oh my god. You used to live in this forest, didn't you, Belly?
Yeah, but I had a chainsaw. 65cc chainsaw.
Yeah, now you're fucking 75 years old. What are you doing? You're going to cut it twice so there's a gap in it?
Yeah, I've cut around here as well already.
With this old timer. Hey through, lad. Oh well. Them new baits doing job then, weren't they? New baits off Teddy, lad. EnduroTires.com.
From, yeah, via Stevie Holcomb.
There you go. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Let's go. GoPro, stop recording. That's it. Push it now, right over. Go on, lad. And that's it. Odd boy is over. Now where's he gonna go? Look at these for climbs. 73-year-old skills right there. Absolutely. Oh, look at the beater. Phew. Go on, lad. I can't believe he's 73. Camera off, you melt. Are you going down there?
I can't remember.
I don't think it's down there personally, but clumps, Phil. Wow. Billy! Billy! Oh, alright, see you later then. Look at that. Someone's left a bush hook in there. Oh! 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 I'm absolutely face planted on that log. Yeah. Let's go back up. Nice belly. Hang on. That didn't work, did it? Hang on, let me get over there. There you go. Yes, lad. It's stuck in there, is that? Look at that. Oh no. It won't come out. Aye. She's down to it stops. Woo! Look at the state of that. That's not looking good, is it? Oh. Need to get back in another river, clean her off. Oh, it's a test for man and machine in there. What soft is that? Oh, oh, oh. Hell! Wow! We've had a we've had a massive one. Ow! Oh! Oh! My leg's stuck. Oh, that's how quick it can happen. Holy hell. Woo! And we survived. Whoa, that's where I went down. Oh, felt like a big impact, that. Yes, boy! We survived another one. Oh, a big one. Oh. There's the old man. He got round me when I was on the floor. Let's drop back in. Yes. Billy's ahead. Oh no! Not absolutely soaked. Billy did it right. Not slowing round. Let's catch the old boy up. Oh, that's a nice little lay down. What are you doing? You're just cooling your bum down a bit. You alright?
Yeah, yeah.
Whoa! Oh! Oh shit! What's that rock in there? Gets heavier, this bike. There's a big rock right there. That's a nice climb. Whew. Wow, it's close, but no cigar. Oh my god, that's put my front brake on. Such a beautiful place. Yeah. Right guys, that's it for another episode of Melt Meter. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bosh!